One of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Devices settings and tapping on Bluetooth section right away. Now click on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Last but not least, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. But you can always disconnect them by clicking on this icon next to the device, clicking on Unpair under the device name, and as you can see, now they are disconnected. If you want to connect to the same one, turn off Bluetooth, switch it back on, click on the same device and choose Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!